What's the meaning of blackface? Blackface. Blackface.
Blackface. Blackface. Blackface refers to the practice of non-black performers darkening their skin with makeup or other materials to portray caricatures of black people, often in a mocking and dehumanizing manner. This practice has a long history in entertainment and media, particularly in the United States, where it was commonly used in minstrel shows and other forms of popular entertainment from the 19th century through to the mid-20th century. Blackface is widely regarded as racist and offensive, as it reinforces negative stereotypes and perpetuates discrimination against black people. Its use has become increasingly rare and discouraged in modern times, although instances of blackface continue to occur in some contexts.